5 jobs AI could replace. Source: How It Works. By visualgk.com. Technology. Workers like coders and computer programmers could have their jobs replaced. Because AI, like ChatGPT, can produce code faster than humans, and with increasing accuracy. Writers and journalists. ChatGPT is so good at writing, that it can adapt to different styles. So writers and journalists could soon find themselves replaced. Administration staff. There's a whole host of back-office work that AI could do, from scheduling appointments, making reservations, generating documents, and transcribing meetings. This could replace admin staff and assistants in a whole host of industries. Teachers. ChatGPT can answer a range of questions and explain them to people, while adapting answers to their age and abilities. It's an ideal set of skills for an artificial teacher. Designers. AI is becoming increasingly good at creating still images and videos. You can ask a chatbot to create things like a picture of Mickey Mouse in the style of Rembrandt, and it can do a pretty good job. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com